Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been a little while and it's a bit of a different video today. To my grand total of 4 subscribers, who is me and a couple other accounts of mine. Anyway, so welcome back. Slightly different video today, as if you're watching this at current times, COVID-19 is unreal quarantine. So got quite bored. I thought I'd get back on the channel, make a few more videos, and today we're going to be making bread. So here we go, we've got all the ingredients here. So we've got the 300ml of water. You're meant to have olive oil, but I've got rapeseed oil there, so that doesn't really matter. I don't think so anyway, we'll see. Strong white flour, and then Allinson Easy Bake yeast. So yeah, gonna measure everything out and we're gonna crack on and see how it goes. Okay, so here we go, we're gonna mix the white flour with the salt and the yeast. So just give you some hands action here. Go. Bit of hands action going on. So we've got that. Oh no. Where's the table salt? Let me just get the table salt. And the yeast. Just a 7-gram sachet. So it is 2 teaspoons of salt. One. 2. And then get our yeast here. And we'll put this in. So, as you probably guessed right now, I ain't got a fucking clue what I'm doing, really. I'm just sort of... I looked at one recipe online and we're trying it out. So, when I put how to in the title, just know I don't know equally as much as you don't know on how to cook this, and we can find out together. So it says to mix it all together in a large bowl. So get that. Yeah, it looks pretty mixed together to me. Then check the recipe. We've got to make a well in the centre. 3 tablespoons of olive oil, but I'm using rapeseed oil. And then you just add the water and then mix that all together. So let's do that now. So first of all, make our well. Don't know if you guys can see that. I've sort of made a dip in the flour and the salt here. Yeah, okay. So we then will add 3 tablespoons to this. One, 2, 3. Okay, there we go. Now for the water. I do actually do quite a bit of cooking at home. Like do a bit of lasagna, spaghetti bolognese, the odd curry or something. I like sort of experimenting with food myself. Like not really following a recipe. Okay, right, mix well. Okay, right. So here we go. Yeah, so I do quite a bit of cooking at home. I wouldn't call it a hobby or anything. It more started like I'd get home from school, I'd be hungry, and you know I wanted something a bit more than just like a snack. So I'd start making egg on toast. That got boring pretty quick. So you know, you moved on to other things, started making homemade pasta sauces and stuff like that. So yeah. Right, that seems a fair bit stiff still. So it said in the recipe if it still seems stiff, add a slight bit more water. So I'm just gonna get, I'd say another 50 ml. So at the bottom there. Okay. There we go. It's coming together a bit better now. I think this is just sort of a generic bread type. It's not it's just sort of like generic loaf of bread really. But yeah. Okay, so here we go, it's all mixed now. Now we've got to knead it for 10 minutes, so let's give it a go. I don't even know how to knead, we're just going to sort of make it up as we go along. Yeah, I watched quite a bit of Bake, well, not anymore. Back when I was a bit younger, I used to watch, you know, Bake Off and MasterChef and all that. They do a lot of this, so, you know, give that a go. Trays moving about quite a bit. Here we go, so I've just kneaded it here. It's quite nice, good texture now. Feels, I mean obviously I wouldn't know, but it feels like it's ready to be proved. So we've got this bowl here, chucks a bit of oil in it and just went around with tissue just to grease it up. And I'm just going to chuck this now into the bowl. As you can see, there you go. It feels lovely. So I leave that in there and then we leave that for an hour. Okay everyone, so I've just put tin foil on that. I didn't have any cling film, so hopefully it will still have the same effect with the tin foil. And I've been recommended by my mum to put it by a radiator because of the heat. I don't know the science behind it, but should make it rise more, I guess, or something. So yeah, we'll leave that for an hour. I'll see you back here in an hour. Hello everyone, we're back now. After, it was meant to be an hour, but I came back after an hour and checked. It didn't look like it had risen that much, so it is actually been an hour and 35 minutes now. Greased up my baking tray tin, ready. And we've got the dough here, so I just use some hands action again. There we go. So there, you can see it in there. Yeah, so got a decent amount of rise. And now, basically what I've got to do is I've got to punch the air out and then fold it over on itself, I believe. And then you leave it here and we've got to leave it to prove for another hour. So here we go. There we go. Heard a few bubbles escape there. Okay, then fold it back on it itself. Got to admit, it feels a lot more airy than it did before, so that's good, so that's what you want. So there we go, it's folded in on itself. It feels really weird and spongy now. You can really feel the change it's made. Oh lovely, you can smell the yeast on that. Then I'm just gonna there you go. So I'm just gonna leave it like that now. we go, leave it like that for another hour now. So it is 5:05. So we will come back in an hour. Okay guys, so it's brewed for another hour now on the baking tray. As you can see, it is filled out. It's looking like a proper loaf of bread. So the final steps now is to cut across into the top and sprinkle it with flour, and then you put it into the oven for 25 to 30 minutes. So I'll get back to you when we have the end products. Here we go everyone, here's the final result. So as you can see, it's quite a good outcome. I'm quite happy with the outcome of this. You know, proper crisp. As you can hear, it sounds sort of hollow, how it's supposed to. Got a nice crust to it, you know. So yeah, I'll enjoy this. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Yeah, thanks. Bye bye.